Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to make money right now. It's called Daily Income Just Tap. If you're tired of complicated systems and you want something extremely easy for Daily Income Just Tap, then you're going to love this. So what is Daily Income Just Tap? It's a brand new method where you earn $200 instant commissions every single day by simply tapping the ATM inside the platform. That's literally all you do. Daily income, just tap. No selling, no recruiting, no complicated strategies, no spending hours online. With daily income, just tap. You log in, tap once or twice, and get paid instantly. This is why daily income, just tap is becoming so popular in 2026. It's one of the easiest ways to create real daily income without any real work. A lot of people are switching to daily income, just tap because everything else feels like too much effort. But here it's genuinely daily income, just tap and you get paid. If you've been looking for something super simple that can actually deliver consistent daily income, then daily income, just tap is worth checking out right now. The timing is perfect too because daily income, just tap is still very new. The people who get in early are going to make the most money. So if you're ready to start with daily income, just tap, I made it really easy for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. This really is as simple as daily income, just tap. You tap, you get paid, and you can do it every single day. Again, if you want to start creating real daily income, just tap. The link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Imagine waking up every morning, doing a couple quick taps, and seeing $200 or more added to your account. That's exactly what daily income, just tap is delivering for people right now. One more time, if you're serious about easy daily income, just tap, click the link in the description right now and lock in your position. This opportunity is moving fast. The sooner you start with daily income, just tap, the more you can benefit. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment, check out the daily income, just tap system, and start collecting your first commissions today. If this video got you excited and you're ready to try daily income, just tap, drop it in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link right now. Take action on daily income, just tap, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your easiest and most profitable year yet.